Hello and welcome. This is the tutorial how to edit and pitch ad of EA Cricket 2007 PC game. Here I can show you how to do. Okay, the basic tool you need is one dot big editor. Another is dot FSH editor. The first thing you have to do, just double click on big editor and open the directory where you have installed your EA Cricket 2007 game. Then just double click on data folder and click all files, and then just double click on data.gov and open it. The next thing you have to do, just filter all file names as file name. Okay, you have to find this file F4C2765 using your keyboard. Type the F4C2765. Here it is the file which I have already extracted here, so I don't need to re-extract this file. Okay, another thing, just double click on .fsh editor and open the same .fsh extension file in editor. Okay, here is the pitch ad of EA Sports, which is used in all CNG Trophy tournament games, and whenever you play CNG Trophy games, this pitch ad will shown in each stadium. So I'll tell you how to edit or custom it. Just export it using Ctrl E or export button. Just rename the file image .bmp format. Always use the bmp format and click save button, re-click. Okay, as the file has been extracted successfully, and just open it out of Photoshop or any other program editor which suits you better. This is the file which we will edit. Okay, I will edit it in better look. It would be better to judge. Okay, I've already got an Pepsi image, so I'll copy and paste it to here. You can resize using free transform tool to resize this image. I'll remain is him. Okay, I'll add the previous background, which is the layer. I can also delete this one using delete button. Yes, delete. And now just save this image in PSD for PSD extension, which is the default Photoshop extension. Save. Okay, minimize this, and now open FSH editor again open the same file, and now it is the turn to change the EA Sports logo to your custom pitch ad. Tools, graphic importer, click open button, and files of type, select Photoshop and just click image.psd file and open it. As you can see the image, and just finally click on update button. Here you can see actual size. Here it is. Now you have to just save using Ctrl S. Now the file has been successfully saved. Here is the file. Just copy and paste this file to root directory of EA Sports Cricket 2007 and go to the tournament CNG trophy and play the game with the custom pitch ad. Hope you will enjoy this one. Bye bye, see you.